Good morning. In today's video, we are going to talk about technology report of MDF Manufacturing Enterprise. The members of the group are Hector Hill, Jigar Kumar Patel, and myself, Kelly Tarazona. Okay, so let's talk about MDF Manufacturing overview. This company is a small to medium-sized enterprise located in the Central West in the state of New South Wales. The business provides melamine particle boards, manufacturing and finishing services, and belongs to the kitchen and decorative door, panel, and laminate market. The departments that are in the sites comprise the engineering services, maintenance, manufacturing, and administration, and the fuel storage. Okay, the managing director assigned us to do the risk management plan, where we identified the major risks, which are the following: machinery failures, health problems due to the generation of toxic particles, accidents or injuries within the site, environmental and health issues caused by waste disposal, difficult access and transportation to the site, and the quality problems in the final products. Additionally, we made a stakeholders influence table where we identified that most of our stakeholders possess a high influence in the company. For this technology report, according to the risk register, we choose that the risk with the major high level of impact is machinery problems. And why this risk is really significant for the company, because have negative impacts on efficiency and productivity in the plant and organization level, also impact the production budgets related to quantity and quality, problems in delays with delivery times, and reputation because of the quality defects and the business growth.
Okay. There are two methodologies to assess the control in risk we would like to make. So the first one is the decision tree analysis, DTA, which is very useful tool used to diagram panorama of results from a series of decisions related to each other, which have a probability of success. In this case, we have two scenarios in this decision tree analysis. The first one is the scenario if you implement the control, and the other one is when you do not implement the control, which we can determine in this diagram that the problem when you don't implement the control impact is very difficult, because impact negatively in the productivity of the company, of the MDF. But on the contrary, the implementation of controls contributes to improvement in the productivity and the care of machine, and also the safety of operators. So in this case, we have decided implement the control with operator safety and realize the program of training to get more benefits with low costs.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, both of you. Some important explain your slides. Myself, Jigar Kumar. Today, I talk about inventory analysis as well as risks once machines failure. So firstly, I am explains to inventory analysis. The inventory analysis is an analysis approach used to evaluate to organizations, process, and event. It uses some logic and mathematical technique to evaluate to leading cause or incident. After that, the response is generated either by the human operations of formulating an effective developed strategy. Additionally, it is the using risk quality and security management through a series of actions. A second one is machines efficiency of problems risks, such as in this case of MDF manufacturing, machinery and technology equipment play major role. As the company provide the uh, practically bought like the manufacturing facing service to the multiple stakeholder, including small business, retailer, and wholesaler within and outside New South Wales state. Although the company has state-of-the-art machinery and also manufacturing technology are the equipped with the excellence process, nevertheless, the risk of machinery failure may occur the anytime unexpectable. Hence, this risk should be the created and considered by the production's management in this previous like this experience. These risks identify as an operational risk may occur due to the poor management or internal operations activity, method, workforce, and system as well as. Thank you.
Okay, as a conclusion, in conclusion, the use of these kinds of tools, DTA and ETA, that support the decision making in organizations becomes an essential element of risk management. And in this particular case, the ability to identify, evaluate, and control risk is developed following the guidelines that develop a vision of a possible scenarios and consequence of events that may occur and compromise the health, the integrity, and operability of the company. Okay. The recommendation for this case, we have first of all apply these tools, DTA and ETA, to visualize the consequence of decision making. Likewise, categorize the priority of risk. In this case, we prioritize two risks about machinery and quality of final product. And to finalize, it's important that you measure the impact in the company through the using of these tools to provide a good support to make a proper decision. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your attention.